Hey, what's up everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Enjoying a little cup of coffee this morning. Man, the allergies are absolutely killing me. I don't know who else is going through that, but excuse me if I got the sniffles during this video, but I want to talk to you guys about something that took me a long time to realize. You know, when you're running a business, let's just talk about an eBay and an Amazon business, a reselling business, there's so many hats to wear, right? You know, of course, there's sourcing items, there's prepping items, there's, you know, organizing your inventory, there's cleaning items, there's measuring items, there's, you know, listing and shipping and customer service and dealing with payment processors and bookkeeping and taxes and, you know, you're learning about storage units and library sales and auctions and flea markets. I mean, there's so many different hats that we're wearing. It's really easy to feel, you know, successful because we're busy. And, you know, being busy and, you know, not having any free time and just always being on the go doesn't always equate to you making more money and driving sales in your business, because ultimately that's the goal of a reselling business, is to drive sales. Now, you know, driving sales doesn't matter if you're not making a profit. So, you know, in the equation, it's find inventory at a cheap enough price where you could sell it and drive sales and have enough profit after, you know, all your expenses, cost of goods, supplies, so on and so forth. But one thing that I like to focus on each and every day, right when I start my day, is in an activity, like an action that I can take that will actually drive sales, drive revenue in my business. And, you know, for me in my business, in my reselling business, it's, you know, listing items. And, you know I'm coming at this with a different angle, and we know that it's important to list items, but you got to remember, you know, it's easy. It's very, very easy to kind of lose sight of how simple our business is, right? We source, we list, we make money. And it's so much easier to go out and source and go to auctions and flea markets and garage sales and thrift stores. And we think we're actually, you know, driving our business forward by sourcing, while, you know, we kind of are, right? We're sourcing items and we're building up this snowball, this potential profit snowball. But really, when the rubber meets the road, you're driving sales by bringing the products to the market, by listing your items. And, you know, I like to start my day by sitting on a shipment or listing items first thing when I'm focusing on my reselling business. And, you know, if you're watching this video, you're focused on growing your eBay and Amazon business. So don't fall victim to, you know, being so busy all the time shipping. You know, I know on Monday mornings it's tough. You're spending a lot of time shipping from sales over the weekend. It's easy to get stuck in the sourcing trap. It's easy to get stuck in, you know, I'm going to rearrange my office and my inventory space and make it more efficient. And these are great things to do, because sometimes you have to take a couple steps back to take, you know, you got to take 2 steps back to take 3 steps forward by rearranging your office or learning about a sourcing strategy or studying the sold listings. You know, I shared, you know, in a video about a month ago, study 10 items a day. You know, you're going to learn about thousands of items each and every year, over 3,000 items. But don't forget, the one thing that you need to focus on is making sure that you're listing items. That's where the rubber meets the road. So right when I wake up in the morning, you know, obviously I have a couple different businesses. I have an e-commerce brand. I'm selling on eBay, Amazon, this YouTube channel. I do quite a few things. I can't always focus on my reselling business, but for you, if you only have a reselling business and you only have an eBay and Amazon business, or any type of flipping business, you got to list your items. You got to focus on the things that are going to drive revenue. Putting those items up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, listing on eBay, right? Sending in a shipment, right? That's what I'm working on right now, a shipment to Amazon. Focus on activities that are going to drive revenue. Sourcing's not going to drive revenue right now. That's not where the rubber meets the road. That's a potential profit. You know, shipping your items, obviously that's fulfilling on your obligation, you know, because you've already sold the item, but that's not really pushing your business forward. You've got to list more items, because if you want to grow your business, it comes down to having more inventory, more quality inventory. You know, if you look at anybody's store, in anybody's business who's growing, they're expanding their market. They're listing more items. They're building more products available in their catalog. So don't forget that. It's very, very easy to fall into the trap of just shipping and rearranging your inventory and your office space and going out sourcing and doing all these little things that really don't make the difference at the end of the day. You've got to list your items. You got to get them available on the marketplace of Facebook, on the marketplace of Amazon, on the marketplace of eBay, on the marketplace of Mercari, on the marketplace of Etsy, on the marketplace of Poshmark. that's what it comes down to at the end of the day. So just want to share this positive message. There's nothing that makes me feel better in my reselling business than when I wake up in the morning, smash an Amazon shipment, get it out to Amazon, smash 5-10 listings on eBay, get a couple items up for sale on Facebook Marketplace if that's what I'm doing. It feels great because I know that's where the rubber meets the road in my business. That's really pushing things forward, and that's not easy. It's so much easier to go out sourcing. It's fun. It's fun to spend your money and buy stuff and have this potential snowball that's going to crush it for you down the road. But, to make that money, you got to list those items. So with that being said, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.